Is your Samsung refrigerator refusing to make ice? Don't worry, you're not alone. Let's explore some common reasons and troubleshooting tips to get your ice maker back in action. First, check the water supply. Make sure the water line is connected properly, isn't kinked, and has good pressure. Next, inspect your water filter. A clogged or outdated filter can block water flow, so replace it if necessary. Now let's look at the ice maker settings. Ensure it's turned on and not set to a low production mode. Frozen water lines? Gently thaw them with a warm cloth or a hairdryer on low heat. If these steps don't work, try resetting the ice maker. You can do this by holding the reset button, but remember to check your user manual for exact instructions. Also, check the ice tray to ensure it's free of blockages like ice or debris. If you suspect electrical issues, such as a faulty motor or control board, it might be time to call in the experts. When DIY solutions aren't enough, Appliance Repair Coquitlam is here to help. Our professionals can diagnose and fix any persistent issues, ensuring your refrigerator is back to peak performance in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy troubleshooting.